Hello friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel Azmi Ibtesam.
একটু জোরে বলতে হবে আব্বু।
Okay, now watch my video. And hello friends. Today I'm going to learn you one topic. Name is nature. Let's start. First, we're going to teach you about plants. And did you know plants give us oxygen? Yes, it could be only seen by microscope. Small things. It inhales oxygen and it inhales oxygen and it gives us it inhales carbon dioxide and it gives us oxygen. Get it? It's like this kind of plant. This gives us oxygen. With any kind of plant, only without dead plants. Dead plants doesn't give us oxygen. And you need alive plants just like this kind of plant or other kind of plants. They give us oxygen. And please don't cut that much trees. If you cut one tree, you have to plant more. You have to plant 10 trees. I mean 10 plants. A baby plant is called a plant and a grown-up plant is called a tree. And we have a lot of trees in my Dadubari. I am actually in Gulab Gach. Get it? I'm here to tell you about nature. Because of that, I am in Gulab Gach. Okay. Let's go to easy part to medium part. Okay. Did you know Allah made us a present? What kind of? It is Mother Nature. If you stop going outside, then your bones will get weak. Get it? Okay. And actually trees are good for our environment. Bears, bees, or even not camels, or even spiders. Lot of things live in Mother Nature. Get it? Okay.
ভাই বলে দিবে আর কিছু বলবে?
We have another episode ahead. Now bye.